Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Respect colleagues and fellow researchers. It is a pleasure to present our study entitled Construct Validity of the Learning Environment Instrument based on the PMRI approach. Mathematics learning today is expected to move beyond procedural understanding toward meaningful learning that connect to mathematical idea with student real life experience in Indonesia. This perspective is implemented through the Pendidikan Matematika Realistik Indonesia or PMRI, which adapt realistic mathematics education to local culture and social context. However, the effectiveness of PMRI-based learning cannot be fully understood without a valid instrument to measure the learning environment in which it is implemented. The study addressed that need. The main purpose of this study is examine the construct validity of the learning environment instrument in the PMRI approach or lay PMR as a measurement tool for mathematics learning environment at the junior high school. Especially, we aim to test whether the purpose dimension of the lay PMRE are theoretically sound and empirical support. This study implies a quantitative research design focusing on instrument validation. The participants were junior high school students from 12 schools located in DKI Jakarta, covering East, West, and South Jakarta. The instrument developed by PMRI consists of 9 dimensions with a total 46 items, which represent three main aspects. The first, the principle of the PMRI approach, the learning climate, and classroom interaction. To analyze the data, we applied secondary confirmatory factor analysis or CFA using Literal version 8080. Model fit was evaluated using several goodness of fit indices, including T-square, RMSEA, GFI, CFI, and TLI. Let me first explain the result of the initial second-order CFA analysis. Based on factor loading, the model saw an acceptable overall fit with an RMSEA value of 0.067. This indicates that the 9 dimension adequately represent the underlying lay PMRE concept. Most items demonstrate sufficient factor loading and contribute positively to the model. However, on item PR2, so weak loading and does not meet the minimum threshold. indicating the need for revision or removal. When we examine the result based on t-value, all item and dimension have value above 1096, 1096, which means they are statistical significant. Among all dimensions, teacher support, involvement, and development model emerge as the strongest contributor. While learning climate and concept intertwinement saw relatively lower, yet still significant contribution. This finding confirmed that the lay PMRE construct is multidimensional and empirical support. Reanalysis result of the lay PMRE using second order CFA. After revising the model, we conduct a reanalysis using second order CFA. The results show a very good model fit with RMSEA value of 0.046, indicating a close fit between the model and the data. All 9 dimensions remain significant, with factor loading ranks above the recommended threshold. Again, picture support appears as the strongest dimension, followed by developed models and involvement. Meanwhile, learning climate saw the lowest loading, although it still contributes significantly to the construct. The t-value analyzed further confirms that all dimensions significantly load the lay primary construct with value exceeding 1096. Also, the strength of contribution varies. No dimension is statistically weak or invalid. Overall, results provide strong evidence of construct validity of the lay PMRE instrument. The conclusion from my paper uh, to conclude the study demonstrate that the lay primary instrument has acceptable construct validity supported by second order CFI result. The, the second most goodness of faith indicate made recommended criteria indicating an adequate model fit. 3. The dimension of teacher support, involvement, and development model emerged as the most dominant factor. Highlight the importance of teacher guidance, active student participation, and meaningful learning models in the PMRI implementation. Therefore, the lay PMRI instrument can serve as a useful tool for research and practitioner to evaluate and improve mathematics learning environment based on the PMRI. Thank you very much for your attention. I look forward to your question and discussion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.